Hello and welcome back to Learn As I Do. Today we're going to learn how to crop an image using the GIMP photo editor software. So first thing you need to do is open the image you want to crop from. I like to then zoom into the part of the image which I want to crop just to give me more accuracy on my selection. We're then going to use the free select tool to start to mark out the boundary of what we would like to crop, picking all the key points. And the key thing here is to make sure we connect up with the first point to close the loop. The next step is to add an alpha channel to the layer before inverting the image, and a Control and X will eliminate the background and show you just your cropped image. You can then zoom into the selected item just to crop any white space before exporting as a PNG file to maintain the transparency. Select the default export options, and that's everything complete. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe if you found this useful. See you next time.